Hello, my name is Ukulele. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Happy Birthday to You, the ukulele instrumental. This is the video for complete beginners of ukulele instrumental, and so I'm going to narrow it down and I'm going to show you how to play this song step by step. Okay, let's take a look at what we will learn today. So, I prepared a tab. Actually I made another tabs. So there are two tabs for this song, and you can download this tab for free on my Patreon site. This time it's free, so yeah, you can get this from the links in the description box. And okay, I prepared the computer-made one and also the handwritten one. And yeah, if you take a look here, you can see some kind of numbers on the full strings. So I'm going to explain what it is. So let's start with this, photos. You can see like 0, 0, 0, 0. That part are called tabs. And also please take a look at these, clearly, strings. And the string number would be like 1, 2, 3, 4 from the bottom. If you keep your ukulele like this, and the bottom part should be the first string and the top part should be the fourth string. The tab work like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, from the top to the bottom. But if you take a look with the ukulele, it's a little bit complicated. I mean, the string number and also the tab number is kind of reversed, right? So this is the part you have to be really concerned about when you play the ukulele with tabs. But anyway, I'm going to explain every moves in this song, so you don't have any problems, but still I give you the tabs, so I just wanted to explain what it is. So you can use this one when you practice. So it's really handy to know how to read them. And as for the right hand, I'm just going to use the downstroke with thumb, so it won't be that hard. So let's get started. If you take a look at this handwritten one, you can obviously tell I have 4 sections for this song. So let's take a look each section one by one. So the section 1 goes like this. Yep, it's super easy. So open string, don't touch anything, and play top string, so 4th string twice, and stroke all the way down and pluck the top string again, and put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string and pluck the 1st string, then G all the way down. So G would be like pointer finger should be on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, middle finger should be on the 2nd fret, the 1st string be on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So that's G. Yep. So that's section 1. It's super easy, right? So I'll play it slowly again for you. Okay? Section 2 goes like this. Okay, so you start with G shape. The section 1 end with G, right? So just keep this G shape and remove your middle finger. And yeah, play top string twice and play all the way down and play top string again Then put your pinky on the 5th fret of the 1st string, all the way down, and C, this one. So put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string and play all the way down. So that's section 2. So G shape and take off the middle finger and top two, string. I'll play it slowly again for you. Like this. I'm going to connect section 1 and section 2 so that you will get an idea how to connect, right? Okay. Now move on to the next section. Section 3 goes like this. Okay, so first play top string twice, as usual, then play this chord. Okay, so bar the 7th fret and put your middle finger on the 8th fret of the 2nd string and put your pinky on the 10th fret of the 1st string and play all the way down and take off your pinky, play all the way down and 2nd string, and then G, remember? Like this, G all the way down, and then F. So put your pointer finger should be on the 2nd string 1st fret and middle finger should be on the 4th string 2nd fret. F. Okay? So I'm going to play slowly for you. And if you think the bar is too hard for you, then I'm going to show you the alternative chords. So when you play like this, you can play like this as well. So G shape on the 7th fret. So your pointer finger should be on the 7th fret, 3rd string. Middle finger should be on the 7th fret, 1st string. Your ring finger should be on the 8th fret of the 2nd string. And your pinky should be on the 10th fret of the 1st string. And play all the way down and take off your pinky, play all the way down and 2nd string. That can replace the bar chord. Which do you prefer? You can change as you feel like it. So yeah, I will play it again slowly for you with the alternative chords. You see, it sounds almost exactly the same. So yeah, you can choose whichever you like. The very last section, section 4, goes like this. It's not that long, so it would be really simple. The first thing first, put your ring finger on the 8th fret of the 1st string. Crack twice, then this chord. Put your pointer finger should be on the 7th fret of the 1st string. Middle finger should be on the 8th fret of the 2nd string. And play all the way down. And the 2nd string. Then this chord. So put your point finger should be on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. Middle finger should be on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. And put your on this 5th fret, 1st string, and play all the way down. Then C. Middle finger should be on the 3rd fret, 1st string. So that's section 4. I'll play slowly for you again. Now I'm going to show you the video with section numbers, and I'm going to play really slowly so that you can follow. So let's give it a try. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.